This lesson is showing how report writing is similar or has many similarities between compare and contrast and a few of the differences. So this is the writing frame for reports. It has an opening, topic sentence, details about the topic paragraph. It has actually 3 topic sentences, which would be a difference from compare and contrast, because compare and contrast only had 2 paragraphs, main paragraphs in the middle. It had a similarities paragraph and a differences paragraph. Well, now you have 3 paragraphs in a report writing. 3 paragraphs that go into detail about your whatever you're researching. So here's your second topic sentence and details that support it. Your third topic sentence paragraph and the details that will support it. And then it has a closing, which compare and contrast also has. So it has an opening and it has a closing. Now the opening is different for report writing. For your opening, you're going to give a definition of what you're researching, what your topic is for your research, or a general statement. And you can also include a question about that topic. Your closing is going to sound like this. It was fascinating to learn about whatever your topic is. And you can also answer the question. If you asked a question in the opening, you could answer the question in the closing. Another difference between compare and contrast and report writing are some of your transitions. So you have, I'll get closer to this. You're going to have these types of transition words or phrases to begin with in the first place. Such as. Now we've used such as and for example before, but new is examples include. To illustrate, now this does not mean to draw a picture necessarily. It means to explain using words. So that's what to illustrate means. This includes, this means, this is new. So you're telling what it is that you're talking about, and you're going to say this means, and then you'll say what it means. Or you might use by this I mean. So you're going to say some piece of information, and then you'll go into explaining it. By this I mean. In addition, in other words, furthermore is similar to in other words. As an illustration is another way of saying to illustrate or to tell more information. Another key point is new to report writing. You might use that when you're going into some of your actual details about your topic. The most compelling evidence is, now this is similar to the most important reason or the most important way. You kind of save that for the end, which is why I have it at the end of your transition box here, because you're going to want to use that giving your most important detail. So you would say the most compelling evidence is. Don't you sound smart when you use things like that? And that's what we want to do. We want to sound smart. So report writing, not too much different from compare and contrast. And the other nice thing about report writing is you get to do some research, and it's easy to add information. So I think you will find that report writing is a breeze.